Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix blurry images in Canva and make them look sharp and professional. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your design in Canva and click on the blurry image you want to fix. This will select the image and bring up all the editing options you'll need to work with. Once the image is selected, you'll see various tools appear in the toolbar at the top of your screen. Next, look for the Edit Photo button in the top toolbar and click on it. This opens up Canva's photo editing suite, where you can make adjustments to improve your image quality. The Edit Photo option gives you access to a wide range of tools designed specifically for enhancing and correcting images. From the editing menu that appears, select Adjust. This tool is particularly useful for fixing sharpness issues because it gives you precise control over how crisp your image looks. The Adjust feature is where you'll find sliders that can dramatically improve the clarity of your photo. Now, locate the sharpness slider and move it to the right. As you drag it, you'll see the image becoming clearer in real time. Take a moment to check the preview and see if the sharpness level looks good to you. Don't push it too far though, as over-sharpening can make your image look unnatural or create unwanted artifacts around the edges. If the image still looks a bit soft after adjusting sharpness, select Clarity and increase it slightly. The Clarity slider adds depth and definition to your image by enhancing the mid-tone contrast. This can really help bring out details that might have been lost in the original blurry version. Just make small adjustments here and preview the results as you go. Now, if your image is blurry because it lacks resolution, Canva has a built-in upscaler that can help eliminate this issue entirely. Click the Edit button again in the top toolbar to access more tools. This will bring up the full editing menu where you can find some of Canva's more advanced features. In the Tools section, click on Upscale and then wait for Canva to process the image. The upscaling feature uses AI technology to intelligently increase the resolution of your image without losing quality. This process usually takes just a few seconds, but the results can be quite impressive, especially for images that were originally too small or low resolution. And that's it. You've successfully fixed your blurry Canva image using both manual adjustments and the built-in upscaler tool. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.